Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey. If you're new, today's video we are going to be talking about something that I saw on Facebook. This is pretty cool. I came across the brand called My Kit Co. Now, I don't actually know that much about them. I just was like being hounded by them on Facebook. And I decided to just have a look because they held up one of their brushes and it was so tiny, but it was a blending brush. So immediately they had me like, I'm intrigued. So anyway, they had a deal on. I'm not sure if it's still on. This is pretty cool the way this box is, by the way. So it's, you open it up like that and then it's got another box inside it. So it came all packaged up like this. That is their social media handle and a little photo of some of their brushes. They were doing something called pick and mix. I love that it comes in like a pick and mix bag. But it's My Kit and Mix. Well, I said pick and mix, didn't I, there? So basically it was, you bought 5 brushes and you got this little baggie for free, but you actually got a discount on the brushes as well. I love this. This is going to be coming with me because I don't have enough to fill my big one that I've got, the Jaclyn Hill one. I think this thing is going to be awesome for traveling with my brushes. So that is the little sort of box bag that it comes with. They do really good sort of like set makeup bags, you know, the clear ones that you use for working on TV sets and things like that. They've got loads of those. Anyway, 5 brushes were £50. You got the bag for free, and that means that the brushes were all discounted too, because it means what, £10 each? They aren't that expensive, like even not on the deal, so it's not, you know, it's not like they're kind of crazy expensive anyway. I chose pretty much all of their smallest blending brushes because it's just something that I don't see. I'll get a brush, a small brush, and if you've been watching any of my videos recently, you'll see the intricate looks that I've been trying to do. So like, you'll get a brush like that and it's like, you can't even see that because the hairs are white. It's wide because it's a fluffy brush, but then you'll get like a pencil brush which is quite big, but it's quite dense. And then even the smallest brush I have from Morphe is an M560, and it's got these brown bristles. It's still reasonably tightly packed. So yes, you get like a good amount of colour payoff, but if you want to blend the edges, and I mean just the edges, it's really difficult. So these are the brushes that I got. These are, okay, so there's My Kit Co Pro and My Kit Co. I don't know what the difference are, but these ones are light blue and these ones are grey. I think that they're all really cute. Okay, so the one that caught my eye was this one. So yeah, the one that started it all for me was this little guy here. This is the My Kit Co 130. It is my On Point Blender Small. Look how teeny it is. So if I was to go into my crease, like my tiny little eyes, look at it. It's good, like, it's so small, but it's a blending brush. It is actually a blending brush. So it comes to a point, but then it tapers. I wish I could have just put like 3 of these in, but you could only choose one brush once. Then obviously I spotted the 120, which is My Precise Crease. This one is a little bit bigger, so I imagine I'd be able to apply with the other one and then blend out the edges with this one. It's just so small and dainty. Next, I think, will probably be this one. This is the My Defining Crease 1.3. Again, it's still really small. Brilliant. And then these two. So this one is the 1.14 and it's the My Detailing Crease, and the other one is the 1.12S and it's the My Tapered Crease. So this one is still really small again. And then this one is just that bit bigger, so I imagine that that one would be good for sort of blending out like a proper crease colour and that. 5 brushes, £50. I just thought it was brilliant. I'll put a link in the description box to the My Kit Co website. All of their stuff is really reasonably priced. So if you want to go and check them out, then definitely. They don't have a clue who I am. I bought these like I say, it was a Facebook ad, so thanks Facebook. I was delighted when I found these, so I figured that I would obviously tell you about them and then I would give them a wee try. I'm not going to do anything crazy. I just got this palette here. This is the Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Nudes collection, and I really want to try it just because I wanted another nude palette because I don't have enough of them, obviously. I just really like the shades in it. I thought it was really nice. I don't think I have a Too Faced palette, so I really want to try one. I'm not going to hang about. I'm just going to shut up and overlay some music or something like that and let you watch, because I'll come like right in like this. Yeah. And I will see you when we're done. Okay, so I just did something really simple, which you saw me do. I mean, I probably sped it up or something, but I'm in love with these. That's the easiest cut crease I have ever done in my entire life. I literally want to order more of these because that is, I think, my favourite thing of life. I think I'm going to. My On Point blender, small. That created that line and that line. And I didn't even have a lot to clear up. I mean, I was just doing it quickly, so I mean, I could probably do it a lot better. But I want like a million of these. I want my whole kit to be just these brushes. It is awesome. This one as well. What one was this? This is my Precise Crease. Nice for blending out like above it. After you've done that, look, it doesn't even touch the bottom. You can blend it at the top there and you don't have to worry about ruining anything. So do a little bit of blending at the top there. It's amazing. So it's a wee bit more dense, but it's blendy. It blends. This one is a lot stiffer, I've noticed. Perfect for the under eye. I love that for the under eye, yes. These two, now this one I liked for blending out the top again. This one I used for in here, and that'll be my cat, and it worked a treat. It was really nice. I think that for fluffing anything bigger in the crease as well, that'll be a really good one. Hello! My detailing crease as well, I was using that to sort of like blend this out here. I'm not 100% sure on the look, but these brushes are amazing. I mean, they do other brushes as well. They don't just do these brushes. You can go onto their website and have a look. They do lots of different brushes. But just the fact that these are all teeny tiny blending brushes, they're exactly what I've been looking for, and they are absolutely perfection. So if you want teeny tiny blending brushes, then my Kitco, I'll leave it all in the description for you. They are definitely the place to go. They now have a permanent home in my collection, and I can find them really easily because they're a different colour than all the rest of my other brushes. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That's all I had to say, and this is going to be really good for travelling. So I think if you want to get the offer, I'd get over there pretty quick. I don't know how long it's on for, or if it's just something that they do, but the 5 brushes with that free I think is brilliant. That is, yeah, I think that's going to come in really handy. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Obviously, if I've missed anything, let me know in the comment sections below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Obviously, if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!